Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to safely replace the batteries in your Fieldpiece DRX3 leak detector and ensure it remains compliant for use in hazardous environments. Let's run down a quick list of what you'll need. 4 Energizer L91 AA lithium iron disulfide batteries. These are the only batteries approved to maintain ATEX and Class I, Division II compliance. A small Phillips head screwdriver. The Fieldpiece DRX3 leak detector is designed for safe, accurate detection, even in hazardous environments. To maintain ATEX and Class I, Division II compliance, you have to use 4 Energizer L91 AA lithium iron disulfide batteries. Turn off your DRX3 and place it face down. Remove the 4 screws and remove the back plate. Ensure the red seal is completely and smoothly seated in its groove. If dislodged, reposition it before closing. Insert 4 Energizer L91 AA batteries. Replace the panel and tighten the screws. Only Energizer L91 AA lithium iron disulfide batteries maintain ATEX and Class I Division II compliance and provide up to 60 hours of runtime. Using any other battery type will reduce battery life and will not be compliant for ATEX safety certification for hazardous locations. There you have it. Thank you for watching.